Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, travelling, and training. As always, before we get into this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Troops, here we are, Friday, the 5th of August, 2022, with an apology. If you did tune in to last night's live stream to watch Power Hour and the AMC earnings call, then I owe you an apology because I fell asleep. I fell asleep before the earnings call started. Like, literally, I was due back online at 22:50 my time, 10 to 5 Eastern, and I fell asleep, troops. It's as simple as that. So I woke up at about 1 o'clock in the morning and I was still streaming. So I do apologise if you did tune in and all you got was the blank screen. Anyway, is what it is. Life happens, and yeah, I do apologise if you did tune in. It was nice to chat to some of you during Power Hour, so thanks at least for joining me for that section when I was awake. Anyway, we move on. So what came out of AMC earnings yesterday? Loss per share 20 cents. That is basically a meat because they estimated 19 to 22 cents per share. Earnings 1.17 billion, revenue 1.17 billion. Again, a meet because they were estimating 1.16 to 1.19 billion. So we're bang in the middle there, troops, as expected. No real big news there. The big news, of course, and everybody's seen it, and if you haven't, then here you are. I'll break it to you. There's going to be a special dividend paid by AMC to all existing shareholders. There's going to be some special dividend, ticker symbol APE, AMC Preferred Equity. And you're going to get 1 APE for every AMC share that you hold. The record date is the August the 15th. The pay date is August the 19th. And the ex-dividend date, which is the date that these will go onto the New York Stock Exchange, is August the 22nd. They're going to issue 516,820,595 of these preferred equity special dividends. So what does that mean? My interpretation is this. They're going to do this. They're issuing it basically 1 for 1 so that they can see if there are, it's basically a share recall, a share count. That's how I'm seeing it first and foremost. It's a good way to see, you know, is there anything going on in the background? We all think there is. This is a good way to see if that's happening. The second thing is they can use this in the future to issue more shares if shareholders approve it. So I know previously we have rejected the request from AMC to issue more shares. This is another way of doing that. So we will get the opportunity to vote to I think convert some of these into common stock and then put it into the pot. But again, that would be our prerogative as shareholders. So what does this mean? Well, again, troops, I'm not going to get on any hype. I know there's people out there already screaming that this is going to cause MOAS. Shares are going to have to close, shorts are going to have to close their positions, etc., etc. We have been in this game long enough to go through these events and see what's going on. So I have no expectations on this whatsoever. As always, if it does cause some upward price movement, I am going to be happy. As we all should be. Do I expect it to? I'm not one way or the other, troops, to be honest, because like I said, we've been here many times with AMC, with GME. You know, we had the GME stock split in the form of a dividend. Okay, the prices started creeping up a little bit, but it didn't have that immediate effect that some people anticipated it would. And I did do another video, I will link that here if you haven't seen it, about managing expectations. And I'm going to say the same thing about this as well, troops. Manage your expectations. Don't put it out there, you know, that this is going to be the be all and end all. If it is, fantastic. And if we, you know, do a HKD type move, well, there's going to be some very happy people around, isn't there? But I'm just going to watch and wait and see what happens. I don't expect... I don't anticipate. I'm not expecting, and I'm not going to anticipate any great moves. If it happens, fantastic. If it doesn't, same situation, innit? We're just waiting, see what happens. So that is with AMC. In terms of price, yesterday, again, we know this is going to happen, troops. It happens every single quarter, whether the news is good, bad, or indifferent. And, of course, yesterday... post-market, the price absolutely tanked from $18.66. If this is the daily chart, if I put it on the 5 minutes just quickly, you can see after hours yesterday, $15.96. Based on what? Based on what? Meeting expectations in earnings and issuing a dividend. Okay then, amazing. Yeah, it's just like that. What's that? $16, nearly $4. Nearly a $4 drop. Because they met expectations and they issued a special dividend. Right, okay, yeah, we see you. So in terms of price, what we've been watching here on this channel, 1470, I did say at the beginning of the week, I would like to see us get back above that. We certainly have got back above that. We closed yesterday at 1866, pre-market currently trading at 1714. So we are well above that. And this is the line, troops, that I've been watching. And you can see there, we just keep continuing that line there, get some more touch points. We are there or thereabouts. So yeah, is going to be a bit of a pullback. I wouldn't be surprised, troops, to be honest. It's a nice move, but you can see whenever we've had a nice move, we've had a pullback. Nice move, pullback. Nice move, slight pullback. Nice move, slight pullback. Nice move, slight pullback. Nice move, slight pullback. Woo, like a roller coaster. Up and down, building the stairway to heaven. So I'm just that 1470, troops. That's the one I'm looking at. I did have the next one at 1835. We have broke above that, obviously. That's the next level. We've tested it. We've gone above it. Will we get back above that today? All will be revealed soon enough. But it is the next level I'm watching. So between there, if we fall in this channel, okay, happy days. But yeah, let's see what happens in the run up to August the 22nd. Just a couple of weeks to wait, troops, really. Over to GME then. And what I do want to show you here is, yeah, look at the daily chart on AMC. And when I drop over to GME, look at this area in particular. Ooh, look at that. Almost exactly the same. And what I noticed yesterday, again, if I put this on the 5 minute, on absolutely no news whatsoever, it had a similar move to AMC. Why is that then? Why is that? And then we've got this barcoding, it's called, troops. Barcoding movement. But we closed yesterday, another green day. Put it back on the daily. 38.36, up 43 cents on the share. Again, we are still respecting this trend line here. Run up, pull down. Run up, pull back. Run up, pull back. Will we get the same? Let's see. Who knows? Anyway, I'm really pleased with how GameStop's going because we've slowly crept our way back up to where we were pre-Splividend, and we're back up to that kind of area now, almost that $40 area. So I'm happy with that, actually, because all the effort that they've put into suppressing the price has just gradually found its way back up again. So happy days, troops, on that. So exciting. AMC... special dividend to come. GME working its way back up to pre-Splividend levels. Let's see if it can go beyond. A very good week, troops. I'm really satisfied with how this week has gone, and I hope you are too. And that's it, troops. That is it for the weekly wrap-up. I do hope you've enjoyed this content. Remember, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Cheers, troops.